In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening devices settings and choosing more connections. Now select printing and tap on default print service. Then wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to manage this service, just tap on this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!